Hi everyone, we're going to make these beautiful wristbands, so let's make it. We're going to fold this paper and make a broad strip like this. Again fold it like we're doing here. Now take another piece of paper and start folding it. Cut it. Here we're going to make a mini square with the pages. Now we're going to curve it as well. Paste it at the center, paste a sticker on the top, roll it, make a ring, and look, your wristband is ready. In this video, we're going to make these mini notebooks. Let's get started. First, we're going to make the pages. So fold this white sheet of paper. Again, we're going to make 3 cuts using scissors. Now we're going to again cut it like this and fold all of them like we are doing here in rectangular shape, and finally paste them like this. And look, your book is ready. Now we're going to make the cover. So fold this printed craft paper and paste it on the top of it like we're doing here. Tuck the first and last page inside the cover like this, and look, it is ready. In this video, we're going to decorate here clips. So we're going to decorate it using this mask. So cut it like this. After this, we're going to squeeze the mask like this. Hold the wire and squeeze it. Then we're going to paste it on the top of this hair clip using hot glue gun. Paste a beautiful sticker, and look, your hair clips are ready. Look at this creative DIY. You can put secret messages. Let's make it. So fold this printed craft paper from its diagonals. Flip it and again fold it. Again flip it and fold it and make a mini square like this. Now we are going to open all the corners like this. Open it gently and we're going to make a shape like this. Tug it and look, it's ready. We're going to make these colorful bows using craft paper. So fold this craft paper, cut it and fold it again from its both sides. Again we are going to fold it and tuck the paper inside like this and pull it downwards. Now we are going to make a shape at the center. Open it and again fold it from its sides as well. Flip it and your bow is ready. In this video, we're going to make these cute containers. You can put your candies and other stuff inside it. So let's get started. We are going to fold this paper like this from its sides. Flip it and again fold it. Flip the paper and tuck the paper inside like this, and do the same from other side as well. Now we're going to make fold at the base. Now gently open it using your index finger and your container is ready. Here we are going to make these pen stand using craft paper. So fold this printed craft paper, make many folds. Again we are going to tuck the paper inside and paste it using glue. After this we are going to paste 3 more such shapes together in a circular manner and cover the base as well using another craft paper. Cut it and your pen stand is ready. You can paste stickers for more decoration and it's done. We're going to make these heart-shaped envelopes. So let's get started. First we are going to make the envelope. So fold this printed craft paper from its bottom and side as well and tuck the paper inside. Your envelope is ready. Keep it aside. Now we are going to make the heart shapes. So take another piece of paper and start folding it like this. Flip it and repeat the same process. Your heart is ready. Tuck it inside the envelope and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.